Good morning, it's Nick from the NickQuits YouTube channel. I'm parked outside of a Salvation Army right now, and I just wanted to show you guys a quick video on me going in there with just a small amount of money and buying up as many items as I can that I think will sell for much more on eBay. So this is something great you could do on your lunch hour at work, or like me, I'm going out on a Saturday, when I have some extra time. But everything I'm going to be buying today is going to be below $8, maybe 10, and I'm hoping to sell upwards of $40 to $60 on eBay for each of those items to make a quick profit. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to take you through prepping the items and even taking the listing photos for eBay. Great haul from the thrift store today. I spent just over $100, so 101. So a little bit more than I would normally spend, but I really wanted to get, some of these first items up on the eBay channel. So it's going to be ebay.com/NickQuits is the new eBay store, so you can help, track what we have going on, kind of see the progress. But I'm hoping to get these up today. I got 3 bags full of everything from shoes. I bought a lot of Nike shorts. I got some random Disney figurines, things like that. We're gonna try to list them all. I'm here in the warehouse now. I'm gonna use our new prep table and get these prepped up. I got my GoPro so you can follow along with me as we go. 3 bags. Let's go through these quick and organize them out on the table, and then we'll get to cleaning in just a moment. All right, bag number 1. What do we got here? We got some J&M's or Johnson & Murphy's. These are pretty nice. From what I can see online, they're going for around 100 new. I snagged them for $9.99. I'll clean these up, hoping to get around $60 at least. Oh, these looked pretty new, just needed a little bit of cleaning. Bottoms, not much wear and tear, maybe one game, $8.99. But these are Nike cleats, so hopefully those will do well. We got some J. Crew, always a good seller, some flats. These will be pretty perfect for summer. Got some Clarks. These only $4. Clarks normally sell pretty well. The comps I were seeing on eBay were 30, 40 bucks a piece on these. These were a little bit cheaper, but these look pretty close to brand new. These are some 9 West, a little bit nicer, summer flats. I think we got these pretty cheap, $4.99. So it's kind of a random buy, but this is still new, factory sealed. Comps are around 10, 12 bucks on this Kylo Ren, but I got it for $2, so why not try it out? And that was bag number 1. Bag number 2, we also got something kind of random. This is a VTech, so one of those children's, I guess Game Boy type things, but more for learning. They were about $12 as well online. New factory sealed for $1.99. Why not? Okay, these are pretty fun. We got some Converse. These things on the bottom looks like they've barely been used. Just the Chuck Taylors. I think I snagged these pretty cheap as well. $8.99, so a little bit higher thrift store prices, but I think we could turn those pretty quickly. So one of the cool things that the Salvation Army does here, at least in Michigan, is they have, the different sticker color sales. And this week, this tan sticker down here, on Saturday when I went, it was just 69 cents or 67 cents for anything. Unfortunately, most of these were green sticker color, but I did find these. Merrell's a pretty big brand here. I know I can sell these for more than 67 cents, so we'll see how those go. What were these? Yep. So these are Vera Bradley bags. Not quite a matching set, but these were pretty close to new condition. We got the bag, and then we got the Vera Bradley little wallet and, you know, cell phone holder, I guess you could call it. And then the last of the shoes, we got some 9 West. These would just be tan or nude color. I mean, these are lightly worn. I got them for $8.99. I mean, brand new, they retail for about $100, so I'll do a little bit more research on the comps on these and see where they come at. But yeah, this is not a bad looking set of shoes to pull right out of the thrift store. You know, we went to the Salvation Army here in Grand Rapids. And again, got the receipt here. Spend a little bit more than I normally do. But you know, for $100, we got a lot of products. I haven't even got this third bag, which is basically all clothing. So this third bag, mainly Nike, but we did pick up a White House Black Market, and these are pretty cool patterns. So I thought that these would sell relatively quickly, but we have those shorts, and it is summer. So we have these Nike dry fit shorts as well. Really cool coloring on these. I think these will be quick. And then we just got some more athletic Nike. So kind of breeze through these ones. We got a Nike dry fit, some athletic, just some white and tan. We got a little bit more exciting purple. And then what do we have? Just 2 more. Oh. For the last 2, these are a little bit more pro combat. So I'm not sure if these are, you know, more for combat sports or just a little bit more compression, but they are a little bit tighter. And lastly, we have some more dry fit Nike, purple. All of these were in pretty much like new condition, so not a bad haul for $100. I'm thinking if I can just sell 2 to 3 of these items, we'll have made that $100 back, and everything else going forward will be profit. So I don't think that's going to be too difficult to do. And of course, you can watch with me as we do it. I'm going to start prepping and cleaning up these shoes to take photos, and I'll be keeping you guys updated on the way. Let's clean up this pair of 9 West. Very, very minimal. I think we're going to have to do to this. Let's go for it. Just a normal microfiber rag, some degreaser. This stuff is pretty potent. You can tell it's already getting the permanent marker off, so this thing will strip a shoe if you're not careful with it. But I do want to get that thrift store off here. Yeah, I would say much nicer before, after. Oh, one's done. Okay, so for stickers, I don't like, you know, leaving residue or anything on there. So I have this little scraper. And then you're definitely also going to want to eventually get a heat gun. This loosens up the glue and gets these stickers off, no problem. So this should peel off quite easy now that we've loosened up the glue. You want it to, you know, scrape it off and it doesn't really leave any residue. So great tool. Look at that, much cleaner. And there we have, first pair done. All right, this one looks like it's a bit more challenging because we have different materials here, but we got a lot of hair on the bottom of this too. I want to try these Converse Chuck Taylors. For this, I'll probably just use some of the degreaser, something a little bit lighter. See if I can get some of this stains out of the fabric here. Oh, it seems to be working a little bit. Clean up this white area a little bit. Some of this stuff, it's probably not going to come out, but like I said, we're listing these as pre-owned, so kind of to be expected. I'm going to use some of this orange on the white areas. Like I said, it's pretty potent, so you really don't want this to touch the cloth. See, look, but it's taking away that stains immediately. Okay, bottoms, again, we're gonna run over here. Comes right off. I got this little vacuum, we'll see if this works. Might just have to scrub this off. Probably just leave this little mark on this one. I mean, most people who are buying these Converse aren't wearing them for like a dressier occasion like those 9 Wests over there, so they should probably get worn down pretty quick anyway. Not bad. So what I'll do is I'll take you kind of through the photos real quick on the 9 West. While these dry, all right. So I don't know if you can see this, but I'm gonna go to photo mode, switch it over to the square mode, and grab these things, vacuum them out real quick. What I'm gonna do is take them over to this little light box here. I'll wipe it out real quick first. Well, let me plug it in. All right, so we have this little light box. Clean it out. set this pair of shoes in here. Now basically all I do is use this with a iPhone. I use the square, I get them centered, and then I up the brightness. One good photo. Straight on. All right, and that is it. I will show you guys the listing on these later, but that was so far from thrift store to prep table to listed. So I will show you guys the listing when it's final. Hey guys, it's been a week since we filmed this video, and I just wanted to update you guys quickly on what's sold. So we ended up only listing 6 items just because it's been pretty busy around the warehouse here, and I only got a few of them listed. Should definitely have done more, but we got 6 listed, and 3 of them have already sold, and I'm gonna show you guys what they sold for right here. First of all, the first pair that we sold were the Johnson & Murphys. They were the leather loafers, great looking shoe, gently used. Second, we sold those green Converse, or the beach glass is technically what they're called. They, are an awesome distressed looking shoe. And then just yesterday, we sold, I believe it was the sandals with the tassels on them. So we're at a total of $111. And again, we only spent $100, and I still have 2 more pairs of shoes and all of the clothing and all of the other stuff that we showed you in that video to list. So more to come soon.